A mobile dike.
My fault. Lost my grip.
No harm. Network hiccup. Verification is stalling.
Let's split tasks. Goat sets 2 lanes, one for QR screenshots, one for paper tickets. Porcupine Tech.
My suitcase turned into...
A fish crate.
Full name, coach, seat. Trust the label, not the color. Stay calm. Temporary power issue. Tech team on it.
Flashlights up, airplane mode on to save batteries.
Ticket and luggage recheck. Any bag in the aisle, fine.
You with the oversized bag.
May I see the embossed badge?
This hologram isn't registered.
No need to flare up, and no waving people through just because they sound official. When someone...
Landslide ahead at kilometer 89. We'll pause at Sim Hill Halt until cleared.
Could be hours. Food is limited, kids get cranky, elders need medicine, services are scarce.
We'll modularize. 1. Goose runs a...
My inhaler. Where is it?
Brand?
Blue body, green cap.
Lesson 3. Medical gear isn't a toy. Fun is fine, never with someone's lifeline. Sarah, next. Coming right up.
Coach 5 brake sensor reads hot on inspection.
Could be foreign material caught in the assembly.
Foreign like?
Stray plastic bag, ribbon, thin twine.
Lesson 5. Festivals and trains don't mix with loose ribbons.
Safe slow!
Don't forget those books for the kids. Can I safety out? Only if safety is absolute. Maybe. Today, we met a string of messes. Runaway trolley, scanner outage, suitcase mix-up, a counterfeit authority, tunnel
And yet we didn't lose each other. Not because there were no mistakes, but because everyone helped, waited, and listened.
All aboard for connections. Please mind the gap. A full day, indeed.